You are not your thoughts. You are the one watching them. Welcome back to Anybody Can Journal. Today is day 9 and we are practicing the brain dump. The biggest mistake we make is thinking that we are our thoughts. But the moment you move that chaos onto the paper, you realize that you are the observer, not the noise. Set a timer for 5 minutes and draw a continuous curve like I have drawn here. Now let your pen move without stopping. Forget about the grammar and don't worry if it does not make any sense. If your mind goes blank, literally write, I don't know what to write until the next thought comes in. You are acting as a filter, shifting the weight of your subconscious onto the safety of the paper. There is so much power in seeing internal noise turn into external ink. Once it is out there, it loses its grip on you. It becomes a sentence you can look at rather than a weight that you have to carry. By the time the timer goes off, you will realize that the clarity was always there, just buried under clutter. Follow Journal with KZ for daily journaling prompts.